The electric vehicle landscape is witnessing a new challenger emerge from the east. Xiaomi, the Chinese tech giant known for its smartphones, has unveiled its debut electric car, the SU7. This 2024 electric sedan promises to shake things up with claims of outperforming established names like Tesla and Porsche. Let's delve deeper into the details of the Xiaomi SU7 and see if it lives up to the hype. A design inspired by success, crafted for distinction. The Xiaomi SU7 borrows design cues from the popular Tesla Model 3, sporting teardrop LED headlights, a sleek air dam, and a tapering bonnet. However, it differentiates itself with a sloping roofline that flows seamlessly into connected LED taillights. A camera on the B-pillar and 19 or 20-inch wheel options complete the look. Higher-end variants up the ante with an active rear wing and sophisticated LiDAR technology, hinting at potential autonomous driving capabilities. Powertrain options, tailored for performance and range. The SU7 comes in two variants, the standard SU7 and the performance-oriented SU7 Max. Standard SU7. This version features a single electric motor powering the rear wheels. It delivers a respectable 295 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a brisk 5.28 seconds. The power comes from a 73.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack developed in collaboration with CATL, offering a claimed range of 668 kilometers on a single charge. The SU7 Max. This powerhouse boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, unleashing a staggering 664 horsepower and propelling the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mere 2.78 seconds. This puts it ahead of the Porsche Taycan Turbo in terms of acceleration. The secret lies in the 101 kilowatt-hour battery pack, again co-developed with CATL, enabling the SU7 Max to achieve a remarkable 800 kilometers of range. Both variants boast impressive charging capabilities. The SU7 supports rapid charging, regaining 510 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes, making long-distance travel significantly less time-consuming. Tech-savvy interior, a fusion of luxury and connectivity. The SU7's interior screams luxury and technological prowess. Xiaomi equips the car with its HyperOS system, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chip, ensuring a seamless and responsive user experience. A large 16.1-inch touchscreen takes center stage, complemented by a comprehensive 56-inch heads-up display that keeps vital information within the driver's field of vision. A 7.1-inch instrument cluster rounds out the digital display trio. Passengers are treated to a spacious cabin with a panoramic view enabled by an expansive glass area. A 25-speaker sound system with Dolby Atmos further elevates the in-car entertainment experience. The Xiaomi SU7, a promising debut with room for scrutiny. The Xiaomi SU7 marks a bold entry into the electric vehicle market. With its impressive performance figures, extended range capabilities, and tech-laden interior, the SU7 has the potential to shake things up for established players like Tesla and Porsche. However, it's important to acknowledge that the SU7 is a new player, and real-world testing is crucial to validate Xiaomi's claims regarding performance, range, and autonomous driving capabilities. Long-term reliability and after-sales service infrastructure are also factors that will determine the SU7's long-term success. The future unfolds, a long road ahead. The Xiaomi SU7's debut marks the beginning of its journey. As the car undergoes real-world testing and consumer scrutiny, its true strengths and weaknesses will come to light. Whether it lives up to the hype and becomes a serious contender in the electric sedan segment remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: the Xiaomi SU7 has sparked a conversation and injected a dose of excitement into the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles. As technology continues to advance and competition intensifies, the future of electric cars promises to be an exhilarating ride. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.